Attract the person you desire, captivating them with your presence and making them feel a magnetic pull towards you. Let them experience a deep craving for your company, an irresistible urge to be near you. Over the next 3 days, observe their behavior closely, ensuring your focus remains on the right individual. On this channel, our mission is to offer spiritual guidance and inspiration as you pursue your dreams and ambitions. Your continued support means the world to us, so we truly appreciate you for liking this video, subscribing, and enabling notifications by hitting the bell icon. Are you tired of dealing with rejection, being ignored, or feeling unnoticed in your relationship? Perhaps you're stuck in a relationship that feels stagnant, leaving you feeling unsure and insecure. The great news is you have the power to change this. In today's video, we'll introduce a technique that will make your special person irresistibly attracted to you, just like ants are drawn to sugar, helping you create the deep, meaningful connection you've been longing for. To begin, it's essential to recognize that you are an active participant in the energy that shapes the universe. You have the power to mold and create your own reality. When you fully embrace this belief and put it into action, even if just for a moment, incredible changes will start to unfold in your life, particularly in your relationship with the person you're thinking about. Rather than pushing them away, you will effortlessly draw them nearer. The person you admire or love will feel an undeniable attraction towards you, as if pulled by a magnetic force, deepening your bond. Be confident that they will become deeply connected to the beauty of your relationship. When your special someone becomes emotionally invested, it's a strong indication of their profound love for you. Their desire will be focused entirely on you, with no room for anyone else, and any interest in others will gradually disappear. The person you care about will be consumed by a passionate longing, eager to make you the center of their world, and they will express their love and devotion wholeheartedly. The core issue lies in your perceptions of how this person sees you. You may have convinced yourself that they aren't interested, or perhaps you view them as someone who is too self-centered, only concerned with their own wants. It's possible you've come to believe they're incapable of forming deep emotional connections and never will. In your mind, they might not appear to be the relationship type. You may even think they're often romantically involved with others, or at the very least, with someone other than you. You may sense that they're avoiding you, or uncertain about whether to reach out at all. If you're holding on to limiting or negative beliefs about yourself or how this person views you, it's clear that this mindset is preventing both of you from forming the connection you desire. Our goal here is to shift your perspective and focus on manifesting the positive outcome you truly want to experience in your life. Keep in mind that the three-dimensional reality you experience is merely a reflection of your past beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. To create a true connection with the person you desire, you must align their beliefs, thoughts, and emotions with the energy that nurtures this bond. Simply adapting to the limiting conditions around you won't make this happen. You may believe that this person is fixed in their ways or resistant to change, but remember, this is just a belief, not an absolute truth. Things don't have to remain this way. As long as you hold on to these beliefs, the outcomes will continue to be the same. If you keep feeding limiting thoughts about this person, their actions and feelings toward you will stay unchanged. Up until now, the story you've been telling yourself might go something like, "They don't care about me as much as I care about them," or "They don't even notice me." But the truth is, if you can create this narrative in your mind, you also have the power to rewrite it, beginning today, and unlock a completely new chapter. Very soon, we'll begin crafting a new story together, one where you and your special person share a beautiful, loving relationship. They will long for you, desire you, feel deeply connected to you, and cherish the bond you both share. Remember, this isn't about controlling anyone's free will. It's about you, about reshaping your reality to mirror the kind of love you truly deserve. By choosing to manifest a new version of this relationship, you're not only redirecting the course of your life, but also transforming your future. Trusting in the reality you're ready to create, you need to cultivate the belief that your specific person harbors pure, loving intentions for you, desires you just as much as you desire them, and frequently dreams of being close to you. With positive thoughts, find a quiet place where you feel safe and free from distractions. Take a deep breath, relax, and focus on the affirmations I'm about to share. Feel free to insert your person's name into each statement and try to deeply connect with the true meaning behind each affirmation as you listen. Consider this a brief meditation designed to uplift your energy without leaving you feeling drained. I suggest practicing it for 3 consecutive days. But if you find it helpful and wish to continue, feel free to extend it to a week, 10 days, 21 days, or even a full month. Even if your specific person seems to be at your doorstep every night, though, we're aiming for a healthy, balanced relationship. Make a commitment to yourself to complete this practice for the entire duration you've set. Be sure not to leave the process unfinished, as unresolved issues can linger in your thoughts, creating negative energy and draining your focus, the very thing we want to avoid. It's essential to fully commit to creating a new reality, one that is no longer controlled by the limiting beliefs, emotions, and feelings that once took over your mind. The person who constantly occupies your mind harbors a powerful desire for you. Now, silently repeat this affirmation to yourself. The person who fills my thoughts desires me deeply. The person you care about is constantly thinking of you. You fill their heart completely, as if your souls are merging into one. They yearn to be near you, crave your presence, and can't get enough of you. You can feel it. They message you, reach out, and every time they check their phone, their thoughts are drawn to you. Now quietly repeat this affirmation in your mind. They can't get enough of me. They can't get enough of me. They can't get enough of me. They constantly think of me. Once again, let yourself fully embrace the feeling that they are thinking of you at this very moment. Sense their deep longing to be with you, to create a meaningful and lasting connection. In your mind, hear your own voice affirming this truth, letting it resonate throughout your entire being as you say, "They think of me constantly without pause. They text me endlessly because no matter what they do, they can't get enough of me." Perhaps in the past, their replies were slow, or they might have even ignored you. But now, everything is different because your energy has shifted. You have transformed. Now they can't stop thinking about you. They message you frequently, and you wake up to a good morning text on your phone. They're eager to know how your day is going. They become a steady presence in your life. In your mind, repeat, "They text me often. They can't get enough of me. They message me constantly because their desire for me never fades. They embrace me completely with pure love." Can you sense it? This energy is already growing and expanding. In this moment, you are nurturing and amplifying it. Now say to yourself, "They embrace me completely with pure love." They embrace me completely with pure love. They embrace me completely with pure love. They desire you entirely. You can already feel it. You sense their longing, their intense hunger, and their undeniable craving for you. In your mind, affirm, They desire me completely. They absolutely crave me. I can feel their deep longing for me. You are their true love, the one who matters most. Embrace this truth and declare to yourself, I am the love of their life. I am the only one at the center of their world. Repeat in your mind, I am the only one. I am the only one. I am the only one. Your specific person is drawn to you just as bees are attracted to honey. They are irresistibly attached to you. Now say to yourself, they are devoted to me, completely attached. The more time they spend with me, the more they crave me. They are deeply fond of me. You now understand the mindset and thoughts you need to embrace. Fill your mind with these affirmations and let your heart be uplifted by the emotions that come from visualizing your desires becoming reality. Each morning, afternoon, and evening, whenever you can, strengthen your energy by focusing on these thoughts. If possible, practice this 3 times a day. If your schedule is tight, even once or twice will make a difference, helping you refresh your focus, elevate your energy, and find renewed motivation in your life. This video will always be available for you whenever you need it. Come back to it and let it guide you. Maintaining the right thoughts and beliefs in alignment with your goals will greatly help you attract your specific person and manifest the life you desire. May everything that enters your life bring blessings. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take your manifestation journey even further, be sure to check out our next powerful video that will boost your attraction like never before. Also, for early access to new videos and exclusive content only available to our members, hit the join button below. Becoming a member unlocks special perks designed to accelerate your growth and manifesting power. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share your experiences in the comments. Until the next video, take care of yourself. We're truly grateful to have you here.